It's unboxing video time. Everyone loves an unboxing video. I now have 47 power light bulbs for my AM radio, as well as the indicator instrument panel in my Studebaker car, as well as 2 more that are coated in green. So I'll be putting this radio back together finally. And over here, what is in the box? We'll find out in a minute. Got another shop towel. I can always use those for working around the car. Uh-oh. Wasn't handled with care, apparently. They did not handle it with care. They did not handle it with care. Straighten that out. Another shop towel. I could use these. Ah. A blue and a red shop towels. His and hers. Still don't know what it is. And a white shop towel. Hey, I got 3 shop towels that I can use. Ooh, another one. All right. Time to show it. And here they are. 2 R52 motors that originally came from Disney World and were taken down in 1999 because of the hurricane, and they sat up for the last 18 years, and now they're getting ready to be put back into use. They're like a bluish color because they came out of the Tiki room, I believe. But when I restore them, they're not going back in the Tiki room. No, no, no. Because they're going in my room. 2 switches and 2 plates for the switch housings. Yeah, they project fans, but that hasn't stopped me before. Awesome. This won't be a problem to correct. All I gotta do is just bend it back out. But I'm not gonna use these canopies for these fans because I want to get the correct ones that originally came with these fans, so I'm going to be looking on eBay for a while. The original ones that came with these fans are still in Disney World today. On the same down rod, only at the bottom of the down rod, instead of having these, they got some junk Hampton Bay gazebo hanging from it. But yeah, whatever. Let's see what the original color was to this. Brown. A little unfortunate, but hey, you know, I could fix that. That's no big deal. Main thing is I got the R52 motors and these switch housings. Now comes the part where I test them. Do keep in mind that my garage is still a work in progress. Once it's all done, I will have a more better setup on testing things, such as fans and whatnot. As of now, this is just going to have to do for the time being. Let me get the little wire nut out of there. There we go. Alright, make sure that's not going to touch nothing. I think this is probably high. Yeah, it looks like it's direct, but we're going to try each one because I want to also test the speed transformer that's right there. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Now, grab one. I think we'll grab this one first and try it. Make sure it's free of anything. It's still kind of crusty, but alright, let's try it now. Let's try another wire. This is probably the low speed. Yeah, because I hear the whole transformer running now. We're just going to give it a little push. Actually, I need to give it another one. Okay, that's high speed. Let's saw it torque out a little bit. This is probably going to be low. No, that seems to be. Alright. I mean, these fans haven't ran in 18 years, so probably need a little working out to do. Spins down pretty good now. Alright, let's see if it's going to start up on its own. There it goes. Yep, there it goes. Okay, it started off kind of slow, so let's see what the other one's going to do. Use a little styrofoam brake here. Let's try this one. Okay. Climb speed a little faster. We'll try the red one. Yeah, the red one is the high one. You saw how it torqued out like that? Which is kind of weird, you know, the red wire is usually the the low speed wire. Apparently this red wire is direct to the motor. So, yep, look at that. Oh yeah, that's direct right there. Cool. We'll go on to the next one now. Oh, though it does sound pretty good. Listen to that. Alright, here's our common lead. Yep, because this goes directly to the motor. So that's our common lead right here. Make sure it doesn't touch anything. Let's just go straight to high, since the red seems to be the direct. Okay, this one might need a little help too. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it's still nice and crispy. See if it's going to start up on its own. Alright. Good way to try the transformer out. See if the transformer makes any buzzing noises. Nope. That's good. We got a solid transformer. Here's the other wire too. It's probably the low speed. Nice. Both transformers are silent. Good. We're going to give it a little push. And here we go. Alright, let's give it another push. Wrong way. There we go. Let's see if it's going to start up on its own. Oh yeah, no problem now. Sweet. These two is going to be a project for another time. I'm hoping soon. Awesome. Of course, all this old oil is going to have to get clean out of that. I mean, that just looks delicious, doesn't it? Cool.